Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your Flying Together employee account. Guys, for this, you need to open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome. Now, bring up the search bar and type in Flying Together, U and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link ftl.com. Click on that link. Now, you'll be taken to the official website of Flying Together. Now, simply, you need to enter your UID or username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. Now, once you click on the login button, you'll be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Password Help. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.